Hello. Today we're gonna learn how to make some cake out of putty. Well, not putty, like kind of super sand slime. So first, I'm gonna try to make it to a perfect, like square. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna make it perfect. It's just like this, square. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut every edge, very little. It has to look like very smooth and small whenever you cut it. Every piece. Okay. That's what it's looking like so far. Put some sprinkles in there to make it look more like cake. Then finally, when you got those all four edges, you could do the top lastly. Oops. Here's your perfect square cake. And then you could serve them some pieces. Then be perfect, like square pieces. Make many fractions with this. And here are your cake slices. So perfect. Goodbye, I hope you enjoyed this video.